Here we start out with the WaveAutomation configuration file, and we're going to now turn on the database support using database support options in the configuration. Basically setting database support to true, setting a test case description to 160 automation test. I'm using a Linksys 160, so for generic name. Database type is MySQL, the database username is root, and then we have a database name of Verawave, a password of Verawave, and database IP address of localhost. So this will work locally on this machine as MySQL was installed. Notice now that we run the script just like any other automation script, where we just launch it with the Tickle shell using WaveAuto, and it will pick up the new database config. Notice that is on the screen as it says user configured database support equals true. So that's now collecting data at the end of these scripts. Each script that runs and generates results will output the data to the MySQL database that I actually have locally running on this machine. Using the MySQL browser, we will look at the records that the packet loss test is generating, as each test algorithm, such as the throughput, the latency, they all have their own results table. So these tables are stored in a collection and have a relationship with test case ID tables and test type tables to be able to get all the information as far as configuration and the results from each specific test individually or as a group. So here is the test case table. We'll go down to the bottom of it and find, sure enough, our config 160 is what we've just run, and it passed as outcome. So this gives a start and end time. Now we'll go down to the details, which are in the packet loss results table. Again, each algorithm has its own results table, and there we go. We'll go down to the bottom, and we should be able to match this test case ID to 436, which is the bottom record. We go up and just look at other records throughout the collection, and you'll see the detailed data for each test is available, for each test type is available in these records. All the metrics for the packet loss tests are here, as each result table will have specific results to its table type. We also have a table that maps test information to the test type, as the test type table tells you the test name and a quick description for reporting purposes.